Email marketing. Building an email list and then promoting offers to your subscribers to generate income is one of the most tried and tested passive income models around. Successful internet marketers have been using this method for years because it works. Why you need to build an email list. We have chosen list building and email marketing for your $10,000 plus a month in 90 days method because it has a proven track record. There are some internet marketers out there that earn much more than $10,000 a month from their list building and email marketing efforts. One of the main reasons that email marketing wins over other forms of passive income is that you can communicate with your subscribers as often as you like. Have you heard the sales adage that it takes up to 7 contacts to convert a customer? That is pretty accurate, and most people will not purchase the first time around. If a potential customer visits your sales page, they will either buy your product or leave. If they leave, then there is very little chance that you will see them again. With email marketing, you will have your potential customers for a long time, as long as you take care of them. Email is one of the most effective ways to communicate online. This is unlikely to change for a long time to come. Once you have an email list, you have an instant traffic source. Most internet marketers struggle to get traffic, so email marketing is the perfect solution. It is important that you develop a good relationship with your email subscribers. If you do this, then they will respond a lot better when you present them with offers. It will take a little effort, but it is worth spending the time to do this. People like to receive emails. To some people, it means that someone cares about them. Most people check their inbox several times a day. And this is all good news for you when you become an email marketer. Building an email list is not difficult to do. If you believe that it is difficult, watching this training will change your mind. You do not have to possess technical skills to set up an email list. We will show you exactly how to do it step by step. So the most important reasons why you need to build an email list and use email marketing are: people like to receive emails. It is not difficult to build an email list. It is an instant traffic source. You can present offers and make money whenever you want. List building and email marketing are exciting. You are not trading your time for money. You can live the internet dream. You will be building an asset. One very important area that we have not touched upon in this video yet is that an email list is an asset. As your list of subscribers grows and grows, so does its value. If you take good care of your email subscribers and you send them emails regularly, then you will have a very valuable asset on your hands. If you wanted to sell your list to another internet marketer, then you could command a very high price for it. If you choose another passive income model which just relies on you sending traffic to a CPA offer or similar, then when you stop sending traffic, the money will stop. You cannot easily sell a CPA business or a product creation business. They are not assets. An email list certainly is. In conventional business, you see companies changing hands for a fortune. This is because they have assets such as software, intellectual property rights, a patented product, and so on. There are not that many internet marketing models where you build an asset. If you create the next Facebook, then you are on to a winner. What is Facebook's biggest asset? Its huge membership base, of course. You will be building your own membership base when you build a list. All internet marketers know that they should build a list, but they come up with all kinds of excuses why they don't do it. This does not make sense, as list building is easy, and so is email marketing if you know how to do it properly.